Hello everybody, today we will continue our lessons for SQL training for beginners. Lesson 35, and this is the last lesson. SQL stored procedure for SQL server. A procedure is prepared SQL code that you can save so the code can be reused over and over again. So if you have an SQL query that you write over and over again, save it as a stored procedure and then just call it to execute it. You can also pass parameters to a stored procedure so that the stored procedure can act based on the parameter values that is based. Stored procedure syntax: create procedure name as SQL statement go. Execute a stored procedure. Execute procedure name. Below is a selection from a customer's table in the Northwind symbol database as customer ID, customer name, contact name, address, city, postal code, country. Stored procedure example: the following SQL statement creates a stored procedure name. Select all customers, that selects all records from the customers table. Create procedure: select all customers as select asterisk from customers go. So this is the easy way to use stored procedure. It's easy and very easy. Just try it, and if you have any comment, just send for me. And for this lesson we finish SQL training for beginners. I hope all that I proceed for you it will be enough, and don't forget again to click the bell and subscribe. If we have any new courses you will gain it. Thank you.